Students, welcome to Shorsa's classes. This is CAT 2020 paper solution. I'm doing the Quant segment over here in this video. There are total 26. I'll be solving them one after another. There will be 2-3 segments of this video. So let's start with the very first question. In this slot, this was actually a moderate level question paper. Some questions are solved at ease. Some questions need a little bit of higher level expertise. Okay, so this is a moderate level paper, we can say. So let's start it. So how many 3-digit numbers are there, of which of their digits are more than 2 but less than 7? So we are talking about 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers are there, of which product of the digits are, maybe the products of the digits are more than 2. ABC is more than 2 but less than 7. Okay, so product of the digits of a 3-digit number should be more than 2 or less than 7. Hence the possible number of as follows are so the product is like remember that product of the digits, if the number is like 1 1 3, so the product of the digit is 1 1 3, okay, or 1 3 1 or 3 1 1, like this. Okay, so product and possibilities. 3 is 3 things: 1 1 3, 1 3 1, 3 1 1. Okay, 5 is 1 1 5, 1 5 1, 5 1 1. Next 4 has a little bit of extra options: 1 2 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 1, then 1 1 4, 4 1 4, 4 1 1 and 1 4 1. After the 4 we go to 6, because 3 5 4 and 6 only we can take. So 1 2 3, 1 3 2, 2 3 1, then 1 1 6, 1 6 1, 6 1 1, and the last one is 2 and 3's combination: 2 1 3, 3 2 1 and 3 1 2. So this is the total. So how many? 3 6 3 3 6 9. So 21 total possibilities are there. Okay, so the first question is done. Let's move forward to the second question. So if f of 5x, so f of 5x, 5 plus x is equal to 5 minus x for every real x, and f of x equal to 0 has 4 distinct real roots, then the sum of the roots. Okay, so putting x equal to x minus 5. So what you will get? So fx equal to f of 10 minus x. So now let a and b are the two roots, so fx equal to 0 we can put. So 10 minus a, 10 minus b are the roots of the equation fx equal to 0. So hence sum of roots is a plus b plus 10 minus a plus 10 minus b. So that is 20. So the answer number 4 is correct. Next we proceed to the next question, that is question number 3. Okay, this is about Viru. Okay, nice name. Reminds me of a very famous movie which you also know. Okay, so what happens with Viru this time? So Viru invested 10,000 rupees at 5% simple annual interest, and exactly after 2 years Joy invested 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. So how many years after Viru's investment will their balances, that is principal plus accumulated interest, will be equal? So after 10 years. Okay, so 100,000 1 plus 5 into n plus 2 into 100. So this thing equal to 8000 plus 10 into n by 100. Okay, so after solving this, I've solved it already, you will get 10. So this is this thing, and after 2 years they have invested, so 10 plus 2, so after 12 years of Viru's investment, their balances will be equal. Okay, so answer is 12. Next, a train traveling question. So train is traveling, and one third of its at its usual speed, hence reach the destination in 30 minutes after the scheduled time. Okay, on its return journey, the train is initially travel at its usual speed for 5 minutes, but then stop for 4 minutes and for an emergency, and then the percentage by which the train must now increase in order to reach the destination at the scheduled time. So speed is not provided, so a lot of things we have to take. So let usual speed is s and time taken is t. So if speed equal to s by 3, 30 minutes late, hence it is more than usual time. So distance travelled is s cross t. Distance travelled in the first 5 minutes in the returning time. First 5 minutes s cross t divided by 3. Okay, and distance travelled in the last sixth, that is 2st by 3. So required speed to cover the distance on time is 2st by 3 divided by 2t by s. So that is 5s by 3. Now hence the percentage increase in the speed is required, that is 2/3 of 100%. So that is 66 2 by 3%, that is 67%. So B is the answer. Next, question number 5. A straight road connects the point A and B. Very good. Car 1 travels from A to B and car 2 travels from B to A. So 1, 2. Both traveling at the same time. After meeting each other, they take 45 and 20 minutes respectively to complete their journey. If one travels at a speed of 60, then car 2 travels at 1. Very common formula. So in this particular case, the ratio of speed S1 is to S2 equal to inverse of time, 1 by time. So S1 is to S2 equal to root over 20 by 45, that is 2 by 3. So the speed of C1 is 60, C2 is 90. Answer number, option number 1 is correct.